Hampton Proclamation. Whereas during Reconstruction in 1878, Hampton County emerged from Beaufort County, South Carolina to become the 33rd county in South Carolina. Whereas at its founding, Africans were brought into this region. And whereas these Africans came to be known as Gullah Geechee, and whereas Gullah Geechees built churches and other historic institutions in Hampton County, including the first colored school, which was established and built by Gullah Geechees in 1898, and whereas the Hampton County Colored School was built in 1929 and still stands as a testimony to the architectural skills that Gullah Geechees brought to South Carolina, and whereas numerous counties and cities in the state of South Carolina have chosen to celebrate the legacy of Gullah Geechees by supporting the work of Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah of All Mobile Productions, who co-founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival as an event to continue to educate the world about and to celebrate the aspects of Gullah Geechee culture. Whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to celebrate the continuation of Gullah Geechee traditions, and whereas Hampton County will participate in a series of activities which will take place throughout the county and South Carolina to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation along this coast, and to celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week leading up to the festival. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival will be culminating the event this week with Gullah Geechee Reunion, Reconstruction, and Revival. Now therefore be it resolved that Hampton County Council hereby declares July 28th through August 3rd, 2014 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Hampton County, South Carolina, and call upon the citizens of our county to participate in this celebration. Thank you, Hampton County. We're so glad that Hunter joined we this year for the first time and things like that. And we know plenty of Gullah Geechee that did in Hampton County and things like that. So it's so glad Hunter going to be the shout with we. And Hunter know if Hunter did with me, Queen Quet, head for the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, Hunter children going to know this year the what going on. Keep on shouting, children.